Hello everyone, my name is Alonso. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Proyama generator. I've been using the Predator 3500 for several years now. It stopped working, stopped producing energy, so I went out and looked for a new generator. My buddy picked this up a few weeks ago, I believe it was a few weeks ago, and he says it's a lot better than the Predator. It's got some more features on there, so I figured I'd give it a try, and I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm going to do some testing on it. I'm going to see if it'll run my RV or travel trailer just like the Predator did. Let's see how it goes. So let's go ahead and open this up. First impressions, it comes in very well packed, no damage. Mine was delivered through Amazon. They did take a little bit longer than usual. Uh, I did order it right after Prime Days or right during them around Prime Days. So that is possibly the reason why it took a while. So scooting this back a little bit, it does come with some adapters. It does come with a magnetic oil plug. That's pretty cool. Comes with a screw-in funnel, and it does come in with a spark plug removal kit and a Phillips screwdriver. So far so good. It's very well packaged. It's got a lot of foam on there. I like that. Get this out of the way. The easiest way I've found to take these generators out of these boxes is to lay them down flat and then slide it out. You know what? This one's a lot lighter. I could have probably pulled it out directly from the top. Oh, cool. It comes with a cover as well. I must have missed that on the description. Let's set these aside. Instruction manual. Pretty cool. Does come with a 12 volt DC plug. You are able to parallel this with another inverter. It does come with a twist lock. And this one is neutral floating. It does come with a 20 amp regular receptacles. That's the breaker reset, 8 amp reset, 20 amp reset, and 30 amp reset. Does come with a fuel gauge. Cool. Electronic. Not used to that. My Predator had just a glass at the top. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here. On the next video, I will go ahead and fill it up with some oil, fill it up with some fuel, and give it a try. Thank you for joining me.